Before we jump into the best drawing tablets, first I want to talk about a few things that you should look at before buying one. Firstly, pressure sensitivity. There are a lot of factors that impact the quality of a drawing tablet. One of the most important factors is the pressure sensitivity. Drawing tablets come with pressure sensitivity levels from 300 to 3000. The harder you press on the stylus, the thicker the line will be. Going with a greater number of pressure levels is better because it allows you to make finer distinctions. If you're a beginner, you should look for a tablet that has at least 1024 pressure levels. On the other hand, if you're a pro, your tablet definitely should have at least 2048 pressure levels. Secondly, categories. I'd like to mention that there are 3 different categories to be aware of if you're new at this: tablet computers, graphics tablets, and pressure-sensitive pen displays. The tablet computers can be adapted for drawing with an app. On graphics tablets, you draw directly onto it with a stylus, and the pressure-sensitive pen displays are hooked up to a monitor. Next, size. Size is another important factor. Make sure you don't confuse the active area size with the tablet size, because the tablet size includes the tablet casing and the surrounding area as well. Bigger is better because a bigger active area will allow you to work on larger drawings more easily. Next, responsiveness. Most of the time, the responsiveness depends on the tablet's drivers. This factor refers to the speed in which lines that you're drawing show up on the display. The first thing that you should check is what type of software the tablet uses, and also check out customer reviews because they might be very helpful. And lastly, battery life. Something else that's important is battery life. You should look out for drawing tablets that have at least 3 to 4 hours of battery life. The battery life all depends on how you're going to use the tablet. They don't promise long hours of drawing without charging, but you should at least have an idea of the tablet's total expected battery life. So without further ado, let's take a look at our top 5 picks for drawing tablets in 2020. At number 5, it's the Huion Inspiroi Q11K. One of the best graphics tablet manufacturers in the market is Huion. Over the last few years, they've managed to produce some excellent drawing tablets. One of the best is the Huion Inspiroi Q11K. I'd highly recommend this drawing tablet not only to people that are experienced with tablets, but also to beginners. It has a pretty nice design and the working area is 11 by 7 inches, which is good enough. As soon as you open the box, you'll realize that the company is serious about providing quality to its customers. In the box, you'll find a tablet, a pen, pen stand, tablet cable, USB Type-A to micro USB, a wireless receiver, driver installation CD, 8 pen nib replacements, and a user manual. The design of this one is pretty sleek and simple. The surface of the tablet is very smooth and it has enough texture to prevent you from sliding. On the bottom of the tablet there are 4 rubber feet and they do a pretty good job. Moving on to the pen, which is made of full matte plastic with an interesting design that feels very comfortable to hold. On the top it has the charging hole for plugging in the pen charging cable. This tablet has 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, which deliver ultimate accuracy and incredible performance. It has a built-in 2500 mAh lithium-ion battery which can be used without being connected for about 40 hours, which is amazing. With 2.4G wireless connection, 8 customizable shortcut keys, 8,192 levels of pen pressure sensitivity, this tablet managed to take place in our top 5 picks because it's one of the best. At number 4, it's the Huion 1060 Plus. If you're looking for a nice looking large graphics tablet that comes at a good price point, the Huion 1060 Plus might be the one for you. This one has a very nice looking design and it's made of textured hard plastic. Inside the box you'll find the tablet, stylus, USB cable, driver disc, USB charging cable for the stylus and the manual. It has a pretty solid build quality and it'll last you for years without a problem. It comes with 12 express keys that act as shortcuts to preset functions. Furthermore, you should also know that there are 16 soft keys on the drawing surface that you can access with the great stylus. Something I don't like about this one is the position of the USB port. The USB port is placed in the middle, and when you use the express keys, your hands will be over the wire most of the time. However, that's a minor disadvantage and I don't think it'll affect your work. The stylus, on the other hand, is well built and it has a slight texture to it that doesn't slip. This one has 8,192 levels of pen pressure sensitivity and you can enjoy accurate and smooth lines when using this one. It's compatible with Windows XP, Vista, 7, 8, 10, Mac 10.7.4 or higher. It has a 10 by 6.25 inch active area. Something else I should mention is that this one works pretty well with Photoshop, however I noticed it didn't mesh 100% with Photoshop. It may not be the best, but it still does a pretty good job, and the best thing about it is it comes at a very reasonable price. It has many more great features that you should check out and see if this is the one you were looking for. At number 3, it's the Wacom Intuos CTL4100. Moving on, we have an amazing tablet, this time from Wacom. It's the Intuos CTL4100. This one is a great drawing tablet for beginners. Wacom leads the industry in this segment, and with the Intuos CTL4100, the company has proven that it's one of the best. This one has excellent pressure-sensitive pen control, great size, an affordable price, and many more great features that might help you a lot. This one has a screen-free design. The drawing surface of the tablet corresponds to your monitor, meaning it works like a trackpad. This may sound counterintuitive, but after you use it for a week or two, you'll get used to it. The drawing surface of the Intuos CTL4100 is 7.9 by 6.3 inches large. That's pretty generous. And on top of it, you'll find 5 express keys that have a convex shape to double its function for resting the pen. The middle button works as a power button, and it also is helpful for setting up the Bluetooth connection. You can customize the other 4 buttons depending on your preference and needs. The pen, on the other hand, is just amazing. It feels great in hand, and on its side you'll find 2 buttons that can be customized to your liking. It's a well-built tablet, and it's made from a smooth plastic that feels excellent and will fit right into your office desk or home studio. Underneath you'll find 4 rubber pads that'll provide grip so the tablet won't slide around. It's a very great tablet, and I would highly recommend this one to you if you're a beginner and want a tablet that's not very expensive but has plenty of great features. At number 2, it's the Wacom Cintiq Pro 24. Another great tablet from Wacom is the Cintiq Pro 24. This one is the perfect drawing tablet, as it can also act as a standalone PC thanks to its large size, excellent screen, best in the industry pen, and Wacom Pro Engine. It's one of the best without a doubt. However, I should mention that this product is pricey and is mainly designed and manufactured for professionals that require the best accuracy and colours. But if your job requires those, it'll justify its price. This tablet has a pretty cool design, and the tablet itself measures 26.65 by 15.5 inches and is designed to sit on a desk and be sure to have space for it. Compared to other all-in-ones, this one feels and looks very chunky, but it is a professional drawing tablet, so that justifies the decision of building it like this. It's very comfortable to work with, and it has a very solid build quality. It has a great rear stand that doesn't move around. The Wacom Cintiq Pro 24 comes with a Pro Pen 2 like the Cintiq 16, and it offers a perfect 8,192 pressure sensitivity levels, which is amazing. The pen delivers the best drawing experience in the market, as it's super accurate and is extremely versatile, working with a wide range of software. I've been quite impressed with this one. It's a very expensive drawing tablet, but if you want one of the best, you should consider taking a look at this beast. And at number 1, it's the Wacom Intuos Pro. As our top pick, we have the Wacom Intuos Pro. For creating digital art, you need special tools, and those don't get better than Wacom's. It leads the industry in this segment, and it has set the standard for other companies. It has a wide range of drawing boards. I was particularly impressed with the Wacom Intuos, which was excellent for beginners, thanks to its excellent pressure-sensitive pen control, good size, good features, and affordable price. If you want to get started with digital art, this is the way to go. It has a nice design with an active area of 8.82 by 5.83 inches. It feels really nice to use, and it works well on a desk or your lap. It has a very impressive build quality, and the tablet itself looks pretty good thanks to the sleek black modern design. The surface of the Intuos Pro offers a good amount of resistance, and it feels very natural to move the pen around. Furthermore, the pen feels great as well. It's thin and very comfortable to use. I noticed that the grip of the pen feels comfortable over long periods, and it won't slip. The device has 8 express keys and 4 have tactile feedback, which is great. The buttons are very smooth, and then one button has a raised line and the other has a raised dot. This is a minor detail, but it's very useful because it allows you to distinguish between buttons without the need to look down. Moreover, the Intuos Pro delivers 2048 levels of pen pressure sensitivity and tilt recognition. You can zoom, pan and navigate naturally with gestures on the multi-touch surface of this one. It has many more great features that you should check out and see if it's the one for you, because the Intuos Pro is without a doubt a worthy purchase. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.